If you're in college or school and you're broke but ambitious, this video is about to change your perspective. Because today, I'm about to drop 5 side hustles that not only make you some sweet money on the side, but each of these has the potential to make you a freaking millionaire if you stick with it. No fluff, no fake guru vibes, just real stuff that you can actually start with your phone, a laptop, or just your brain. Alright, hustle number 1, digital product creation. I don't mean some big tech company coding an app. I'm talking simple stuff like Notion templates, study planners, ebooks, or even editable resumes. Think about it. If you're a student, you already know what kind of tools students need, so create one. Here's how you start. Find something that helps you or your friends. For example, a cool productivity tracker. Build it using Notion, Canva, Google Sheets, whatever. Set up a free Gumroad account. Post about it on TikTok, Insta, Reddit, or even your class WhatsApp group. Make one product, promote it once, earn forever. Some creators are making $10,000 a month just from Notion templates. Hustle number 2, faceless YouTube channels. This one's close to my heart because, yeah, I'm literally doing it too. You don't need a camera, you don't need to show your face, just a mic and a vibe. You can make story-based videos, fact-based content, finance tips, or literally memes plus viral edits. Use tools like ChatGPT to script, CapCut to edit, and 11 Labs for voiceovers if you don't want to record yourself. Monetization, YouTube ads, affiliate links, selling your own merch or digital stuff later. There are teenagers making more than their parents just by posting 3 videos a week. Crazy, right? Third one, start a niche Instagram page. No, not those wannabe influencer profiles. I'm talking about value-based pages around study motivation, fitness for teens, anime quotes, tech tips, productivity hacks. You curate content, repost viral stuff with credits, grow your page. Once you get to 10K plus followers, you can do paid shoutouts, sell your own mini products like presets, guides, or courses, or flip the page for cash. Bonus tip. Use Canva plus ChatGPT plus trending audio equals banger reels. One viral reel can give you more than 3,000 followers overnight. Fourth hustle, print on demand. You ever wanted to sell your own t-shirts, hoodies, phone cases, or even mugs? You can do that without owning a single product. Here's how. Make designs, even simple text designs like "Be stronger than your excuses." Upload to a site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Shopify with Printful. Promote on Pinterest, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. You only design once, and the platform handles printing plus shipping, and if one of your designs goes viral, you're making money in your sleep. Pro tip, use trending memes or niche quotes. People love repping their identity on shirts. Last one, freelancing your current skills. Are you kinda decent at video editing, writing essays, designing posters, making memes, teaching stuff? Then guess what? You can make money right now. Use Fiverr, Upwork, or literally just DM small pages or creators like, "Hey, I do this, here's my work." No skills? No stress. Pick one skill today, learn it from YouTube, practice for 30 days, boom, you're ready to offer it. One editing gig could earn you $100 to $500, depending on the project's complexity and your skill level. Multiply that by 5 gigs a month, you're already doing better than many of your classmates. Alright, look, I know a lot of people will watch this video and be like, yeah, cool, I'll start someday, but someday doesn't pay bills, bro, someday doesn't make you free. If you just pick one of these hustles and stick to it for 6 months, you won't just make money, you'll build skills, confidence, leverage, and maybe, just maybe, a path to becoming a millionaire before 25. So, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button if this gave you ideas and subscribe for more real talk like this. Catch you in the next one. Stay hustling. Stay you.